Hello, this is Chiomas kitchen. Today she's not cooking at all. We are about to enter our train. We are going to a place, another village called Gernika. So Chiomas kitchen is live here today to wish all my fans happy vacation. We are traveling now. This journey is going to take us up to 1 hour 30 minutes. Okay, Chiomas kitchen is saying hello to all her fans. Chiomas kitchen, lovely kitchen. Like my video, share my video, subscribe to my channel. Bam, 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 bam. We are about to enter the train now. You can see the train station. You can see, understand, this is the place now. So see you next as we go. This is a nice vlog. Now you see we are inside the train going now to the village. Understand, we are inside the train. That is why I'm wearing my mask. Understand? So Chiomas kitchen is on a journey today. We are not cooking today. I am on a journey today. Okay, follow me as I travel, and I also pray for Johnny Mercy. Okay, thank you all as you watch. Let's keep on going. I love this view. Understand? I love this view. Look at it. Wow. I love this view. Look at it. Very fine. The view is very fine. You see? Wow. 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 This is what they used to watch the train. You can see it is here. See? The view of the mountain. View of the mountain, you see it.
Yo estuve yo hace poco aquí, dijeron para hacer el segundo Guggenheim.
Sí.
Lo que pasa es que ahora están en obra.
Wow, 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 wow. You can see it, very fine. The ships, you see it. Wow, this is very beautiful. This place is where the hotel we want to lodge in is. They call it Hotel de Puerto. Understand? This is the area. You see it, very fine. We are in Mundaka now, viewing the water. You see, this summer I'm enjoying it very well. You can see, here is Mundaka. This is the island. You can see the island. Wow, wow, Chiomas kitchen, lovely kitchen. Like my video, share my video, subscribe to my channel. Bam, 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 bam. You see, this is the island, the map, how you can locate it. You see, this is the island where the ship take things to Africa. This ship, understand, that is it. You see, you see, many tourists, they are here viewing this water. So I decide to come here to enjoy myself. Understand? All works and no play make Chiomas kitchen a dull woman. Work of Gernika. You can see the artwork is very fine. Okay, so Chiomas kitchen is too much. I'm taking you people round Gernika. Okay. You can see the trumpet. They use it to call when there is war. Chiomas kitchen. Yeah. You see it. Sí, c'est nous. Yeah, you can see the great warriors of Gernika, the great warriors of Chiomas.
Oímos. Ah, vale. Perfecto. Dinos.
Solo una dirección. siempre vais a ir avanzando. Luego serán
No, de acuerdo, dice Fabi.
las que nos marcan, también las empecéis en la sala de juntas, bien. Luego, se sale para...
Vamos, no, de acuerdo.
Sí. Vale, los recorridos y luego los puntos informativos. Perfecto. Vais a la sala de juntas, luego a mano izquierda la sala de la viñera, el archivo, y terminéis la visita justo delante del árbol, en el patio. Perfecto. Hay una flecha al fondo que marca la sala. Vale, puntos informativos. Yo, aquí por ejemplo, hay un audio de 4 minutos, ¿sí? Explica lo que se ve. Por ahí.
Okay, you can see this area. This is the place they have the wall on the sign in Gernika, in Bilbao. Check it.